What is up? It's your boy Aing here bringing to us a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger. All right, so in today's video, we got an addition to the truck that I don't know why it's taking me so long. I've been talking about this probably for like a year now, and you guys have been talking about it for like 2 years now, but I definitely think anybody that drives a vehicle needs this. Also, from the intro, I didn't realize how many things I had that actually represent Aing and the Aing gang. Aing, be amazing, Aing on the wheels, and then my license plate. It's crazy. Okay, nonetheless, let's talk about what I actually got. Bada boom, bada bing. Take a look at this beauty. As you guys know, horrible with the names, but I'm gonna call it AZ Dome. I hope that's what it's called. It's a Dashcam M550 is the model that I picked up, the one that I got. This company did send this out to me, so this is going to be an honest review. As you guys know, I have been going out a lot more in my truck, stacked up 5,000 miles in like a month or two. So we're driving a lot more, and with that, I want to be protected. Now, of course, this doesn't prevent accidents, and this doesn't stop all the bad that happens, but this does protect your investment, and it also protects you so you can show who is really at fault. I've had a lot of really bad accident experiences, and I always wish that I had a dash cam. I don't know why it took me this long, but now I got a dash cam. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. I will not lie, and I've unboxed this maybe like 5 to 10 times at home from how excited I actually am to get this, but I didn't want to do it without a video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this bad boy. So of course it comes with its manual. I definitely do recommend checking out the manual just because I may miss something, and it's always good to know what you're actually buying and how to properly use it. Inside you get a 64 gig micro SD. You also get the power cord, which is super good. Cool feature, it has a USB port just to kind of make that port a little bit more functional. You get a lot of mounting gear, which is always nice. It looks like they have doubles and extras of a lot of things, some removing tools and some clips, and then you get the actual camera itself. So this thing is supposed to record up to 4K quality. You want to be able to see the person's license plate, and I've seen a lot of reviews on this one, and this is one of the best ones that I've seen. So I'm excited. Super sleek. It doesn't have any extra grooves or bumps that it doesn't need to. It just looks like a camera, and that's what I wanted. This actually comes with the camera for the rear of your vehicle. So as you see, you got the camera for the back. It comes with extremely long wiring so that you can obviously wire it up properly, professionally, and get it done the right way. The reason I'm excited about the rear camera is that I can mount it up here and have it facing directly down at whatever is behind me. If not, you would have to mount it somewhere else here, and now that's not a problem. It's just for me, I didn't really know where to mount it. I was gonna mount it right here, but it was obstructing the license plate. Some people just mount it right beside the license plate. Either which way, it's gonna be a great addition to the Tacoma. So let's get into the install. I've seen a lot of videos that take 20 to 30 minutes for an installation. It's not that difficult, so I'm gonna speed it up now. Depending on your vehicle, mine has this safety radar sensor. I'm gonna put my camera right here. You got wipes included. Alrighty, so we got the plastic down. Of course, there's gonna be a little bit of bubbles. You guys can't even really see it, but there are gonna be some bubbles. Don't worry about it. It does go away once the heat has gotten its chance to work with it. Try to get them out as best as you can, obviously, but it really won't make that much of a difference. Then you get the camera. Then you're gonna peel this top piece off, and you're gonna put it as best as you can here. It doesn't have to be right in the middle. I've seen a lot of reviews where they don't put it right in the middle. If you want to, you can. I personally want it to have a little bit lower, just so that while I'm driving, I can have it in my point of view, because for that backup camera, it's gonna be nice to be able to see what's going on behind me. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is take it off, which is super sick. It's magnetic, so you can put it on and take it off. Now what we're gonna wanna do is install the SD card right through here. Just for the sake of this video, we're just gonna run the cable right through here. You can install it and push it all the way up through there, take it down through there, run it all the way through the back, and then make it come out through there, which is definitely an option. If you're interested, you can do that. I personally will end up going that route once I figure out how to do it, but for now, it'll get the point across. All right, so now it's time to set it up. And just like that, it's already recording. So what's actually cool about this is whatever's recording, you can actually see it on your phone once it's done recording. So in case of something comes up, something happens, it'll show up on your phone and you can save it. You're gonna wanna download this AZ Dome app. Just go ahead and download it. Once you have it downloaded, then it'll allow you to connect to the actual camera itself. You click the M button, and then it's gonna give you a bunch of options. You go to the one all the way to the right, so just right, then hit OK, and then it'll allow you to connect. It gives you a little screen there, tells you how to connect it. You hit stop recording first, then you can go to the device albums. This is a picture, I'm sorry. That's a picture, but I can also show you some video here, which is super sick. I know this is like old technology as far as actually having a dash cam on your vehicle. Mostly everyone has one. I haven't had one, and now I do, and I'm super stoked, and I cannot wait to actually use it. Well, hopefully I never have to actually use it, but now we have one. You have it set up there. You have two little plugs, as you guys can see. That second one is plugged in, and I have it right here. As of right now, it's not actually bolted down because I'm gonna run it through all the way down underneath there to go up and out through there. So if you guys are interested in that type of install and you have a Toyota Tacoma, stay tuned because, well, then it's coming. Here you go. This is how you actually get some footage. So as you guys can see, the camera is right there recording. And well, now we're gonna come step inside the truck, hit stop recording. Then we're gonna go over to device albums, video. We're gonna hit select. We're gonna hit there. We're gonna hit download. Now we're gonna let it download, and this is so good. Just the fact that if something happens, this is how fast I will have that video to show what exactly is going on. Of course, there's a little bit of a learning curve. You got to get used to the software. You got to know how to download it and stuff, but this is super user friendly. I've literally only been using it maybe 10 minutes. That's me. This is a video of me recording me recording me. This is so sick. So that, my good lads, is gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys are interested, the company AZ Dome is actually providing a link and providing a discount for you guys. So check it out. It will be linked down below. This gives me a lot more confidence when I'm going on road trips. It makes me feel a lot more comfortable knowing that I have a sense of security. This back one is not installed completely. I think I'm going to put it in somewhere like right there. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, a like, a comment, and a subscription. I wanted to make this as simple as possible because a lot of people, especially me, was really scared that this was a complicated process. No, you buy it, you wait for it to arrive, you get it, you take it out the box, you wipe down where you want to put it, put the little plastic cover on, put the dash cam on top of it, you plug it in, you start recording, and you're good to go. It's that simple. Check it out, link down below. Been your boy, I'm out here liking Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace.